So you might be in a situation where for some reason you just can't log out of TikTok no matter what. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing to remember is that if you're trying to simply just log out, you can log out by going inside of your TikTok application, clicking on profile in the bottom right, clicking on the three lines in the top right corner right up here, going into your settings and privacy option, scrolling all the way down and finding that log out option right here. Now, if you're not able to log out from this particular page, the next thing you might want to do is pretty much try closing out of TikTok and try doing it again. So go back into TikTok, click onto the profile page in the bottom right, click on the three lines in the top, right up here, click on settings and privacy, and try doing it again. Sometimes you might just have to try it multiple times in order to fix it, and that might be another way to fix it as well. Now, if that's not working, you might want to also try going through and try updating TikTok and trying it again. So click on the App Store portion right over here. Then what you want to do is click on the search bar, and then you want to go and search for TikTok. So go and search for the TikTok application, just like this, click here. And all we're going to want to do is basically update the application. That can be another thing you might want to try doing as well. And that's going to be another thing to try do. Now, if that's still not working, you might want to try deleting the TikTok application and try going back into it. So sometimes in situations like this, you might just have to go ahead and completely close out of TikTok, like delete the application, give it a few seconds, reinstall it. And that's another thing I'd recommend doing here as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.